Hello, everyone. This is Kamar from Unique Studio. Many designers struggle to import Urdu text from InPage to CorelDraw correctly. Often, the fonts get corrupted or lose quality. Today, I will show you the exact professional method used by industry experts to get perfect vector results. First, open InPage and type your text. Now, go to the left toolbar and select the Title Text Box tool. Draw a box on your workspace and paste your text inside it. This step is crucial for maintaining the text structure. Next, switch to the Selection tool, the black arrow at the top. Click on the border of the text box to select it, then press Ctrl+C. Now open CorelDraw and press Ctrl+V. Your Urdu text is now imported perfectly as a vector object. You can now press Ctrl+U to ungroup the characters and customize each word's color or size individually. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to Unique Studio for more professional design tips. Thanks for watching.